Good morning, everyone. We're starting with this series called Leading Self to Excellence today. And the tagline is Journey from Survival to Significance. Before we even go forward, any forward, what do you think this title means, Leading Self to Excellence? What does leading mean to you? What does self mean to you? And what does excellence mean to you? Because if we do not understand what we are talking about, then whatever else we discuss will be meaningless. उस पे आते हैं, सर्वाइवल वगैरह शब्दों पे आते हैं, बट व्हाट डज लीडिंग मीन टू यू? What does a leader do? What does leading mean to you? That is my question. Guide. Guide whom? Constructing a path, creating a path. Okay. Leading. What does it mean? I'm not saying this is wrong. I just want what every one of you think. I'm polling ideas. What do we think? Until everyone says something, I will not move forward. So if you think you keeping quiet is an option, that is not. So अभी हमने लीडिंग के जस्ट बाद सेल्फ बोल दिया, तो मतलब so what Vidushi is saying is that leading so that we can guide towards a common goal. बट कॉमन और वो सब तो बात ही नहीं है ना, हमने तो लीडिंग सेल्फ कह रहे हैं, तो लीडिंग मे नॉट नेसेसरली मीन others. May not necessarily mean. Okay. You said it means others, yes, that it means others also, but it does not necessarily mean others because हम तो लीडिंग सेल्फ की बात कर रहे हैं. So leading is a target. Making yourself believe to achieve something and then start working on it, towards it. Okay. What else? अभी खाली लीडिंग शब्द बोलना है, सेल्फ तो मैं जस्ट ऐड कर रहा था कि व्हेन शी सेड दैट लीडिंग इज फॉर अदर्स एंड गाइडिंग अदर्स, मैं जस्ट ये कहा कि नहीं, अदर्स वाली बात नहीं है. दिस इज अबाउट लीडिंग इज नॉट अबाउट अदर्स ऑलवेज. अब तुमने सेल्फ को साथ में जोड़ दिया, सेल्फ की बात नहीं किया. मैं अभी लीडिंग शब्द को ही जानना चाह रहा हूँ. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अ लीडर डज? यू सेड builds pathways. She said have a goal and reach there. Okay. What does a leader do? Find and execute solutions. Okay, interesting. Motivates oneself. Okay, but just oneself, not others. Okay, so तुम leading self की बात कर रहे हो. Leading self means motivating oneself. Okay. So if you really think that keeping quiet is an option, it is not. This is a different kind of a session. You have to speak. What does leading mean, Samir? देम द पाथ। सो हम तो यहाँ पे लीडिंग सेल्फ की बात कर रहे हैं, हम देम तो आया नहीं यहाँ पे। हम इसी इसी इसमें we're just trying to understand what the title means, what the topic of this series mean, why this series. Not necessarily improving. Someone may want to lead themselves into a khai also. That is a choice. What does lead mean? Many people self-sabotage, na? So they are leading not to improvement, they are leading to somewhere else. Yeah. Leading means rectifying our mistakes and improving upon them. Okay. Better choices, move forward with the objective. Okay, interesting. अगेन यहाँ पे कोई सही या गलत आंसर नहीं है। आई एम जस्ट अगर वो कुछ बहुत ही ग्रॉसली अलग लग रहा है देन आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि हाँ मतलब रीथिंक, देयर इज नथिंग राइट और रॉन्ग इन दिस हियर। Working on our mistakes or challenges to achieve our goals. Okay, interesting. Get it right. Okay. Being goal oriented, moving towards a solution. Okay. Do whatever is needed to achieve a goal. Okay, interesting. आर्यन ने कुछ नहीं बोला। They're saying leading is like climbing a ladder. Okay, ऐसे मैंने कहा ना कि नीचे steps down भी हो सकता है। So taking action then, is it okay? So this is what we feel is leading. How is it different from managing? नाउ फॉरगेट मैनेजिंग सेल्फ टू एक्सेलेंस नहीं होगा। मैनेजिंग अगर मैं कहूँ एक लीडर है और एक मैनेजर है, हाउ आर दे डू डिफरेंट? So what Manya is saying is leading, when you use the word leading, there is a goal, a destination, or something that we want to reach. Managing is about just putting things in order, setting things in order. While now you might be moving, you might be stationary, you might be not doing anything, but managing may still be needed. And leading जब हम कहते हैं तो कहीं then there is some movement that is there. Okay. Any other thoughts? Any other ideas? So that you say is management. कि आप resources को utilization कैसे कर रहे हो? That is management. Okay, interesting. We lead people and we manage tasks. ये तो थोड़ा सा है ना हाई फाई किताबी बात जैसे होती है। तो ये मैनेजमेंट है या लीडिंग है? So management is about execution of a plan of a resource stuff. Huh? हाँ तो क्या बात कर रही हो माने, यहाँ पे टाइटल होता है पीपल मैनेजर। कंपनीज में जाओ टाइटल होता है पीपल मैनेजर। You have the leash, you're paying them money, they have to do what you tell them. That's how jobs work. Anyone okay, आप में से लोगों ने जॉब अप्लाई करा नहीं है, that's how industry works. पैसा दे रहे हैं, जो कहा है करना है। So what Manya is saying is that if you try to manage people, then ikigai doesn't happen. Then that inspiration and that joy that would come in working will not happen. But when you lead them, when you inspire them, then they can joyfully contribute, independent of how much money you give them or not. Why are we talking about leading? अभी तो आप बच्चे हो, स्टूडेंट्स हो. Why are we talking about leading? मैनेजर तो आपने मतलब पीपल मैनेजर या जो लीडर है ये काम तो बहुत बाद में होना है ना. Why are we talking about leading अभी? Okay, others? Why do you think leading session? Okay, not everyone will become a founder, but even then, the session, I would say, every person on the campus should attend. If I say that this is a kind of a series that every person, every student on the session, every staff on the campus, every faculty on the campus should attend, then so see, thank you for this. Each one of you is leading your life now, at least. Or are you just managing it? बस जिंदा रहना मैनेज कर रहे हैं. Is that it? Or are we leading our lives? We aspire to lead our lives. We might be simply managing it as of now. We might be leading on some parts of it, we might be managing some parts of it. So, irrespective of whether you have any other person leadership responsibility with you or not, irrespective of whether you have to manage other people's resources or big projects and teams or not, leader you anyways have to be. Because if no one else, you have to lead yourself. Are you with me? And that is where leading self, यहाँ पे औरों की बात नहीं कर रहे अभी हम, leading self to excellence. Now, what does excellence mean to you? This we have discussed with Luke also. The Luke ka session that he shared that in much detail. What is excellence? What does excellence mean to you? To excel means to be at the top of any domain that you might be working in. Okay. What else? Exceeding exceeding one's own expectations. Okay. To achieve our highest potential. Okay, that is excellence. Okay. What else? अब ना सारे बड़े फिलोसफिकल मोड में आ गए हैं. अब एक्सीलेंस का मतलब हम सब अपने आप से ही सोच रहे हैं. हाँ. So he's saying that excellence is about being the best version of yourself as of today. And that best version can continue to improve. But is that it? I'm the best version of myself, but I'm not able to, let us say, solder a wire. Am I excelling at soldering the wire? Then what is excellence? I'm best version of myself. I'm trying. I'm really trying to solder a wire. I just do not know how to do it well. No, as of now, I'm the best version of myself. Am I excelling? हाँ हाँ मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि so see, I was conducting this induction session a few days back. MTech and BTech people joined. So I was telling them that You should attend classes, come whatever may. Because it may happen that the teacher who is standing in front of you may not know how to teach, but they definitely know the subject much, much more than you. Are you with me? They know the subject much, much more than you. They have studied it, they have their research on it. Any faculty at IIIT Delhi is a world class researcher. They have papers in the best places. आप उनको सोच भी नहीं सकते. आप उनको उन जगह को publishing in those venues is a huge aspiration for people around the world. They have been publishing papers there, but they may not know how to teach. So, because they do not know how to teach, should you not attend the classes? No, you should attend the classes. Because they know the stuff. They're not able to communicate it as well. So, I may know something, but I may not know something else. They know their subject. They are their best version when it comes to research. And they are their best version when it comes to teaching there. But are they excelling in teaching? Best version to hai wo. What does excellence mean then? Can excellence just be my benchmark? In the achievement imagery, what did we talk about? Excellence. We discussed excellence and we discussed success when Luke was talking about achievement imagery. So what was that? When does excellence come? यहाँ पे सारे charts लगे हुए हैं. You can look at those charts also. आप ही के sessions थे.
Excellence is not something that we define for ourselves, but the society defines that yes, he's excellent at that. So when you are at that stage of your learning or your achievement, then people start noticing and you can communicate that.
So you remember when Luke was talking, this was the chart that he had made there. He used the word standards. Those standards could be defined by the best in the domain. Those standards could be defined by some basic achievement benchmarks. Do you remember? So excellence has to have some sense of standards also. Now, you have to aspire to be a better version of yourself every day, yes. But you're not excelling until you've met some standard also, is it not? So striving towards excellence is not same as achieving excellence. Strive, what you said was that we should strive towards excellence. Absolutely right. But just because I'm striving, am I excelling? May not be. But when I'm striving, am I leading myself in the right way? That is what we're talking about over here. Leading self to excellence. How to strive for that? That standard could be set by the society, could be chosen by me. For example, I could say that, okay, I want to be a person who can solder uh, to this kind of accuracy. Now, excellence is something else, but at this level, this is what I want. For example, uh, a UG student has one level of achievement expectation from them. A postgraduate student has a different level of achievement expectations from them. A PhD would have a completely different level of achievement expectation from them. Are you with me? तो हम आपके chosen standard के ऊपर operate कर सकते हैं. We can choose according to the standard that you choose. But there has to be a standard. Just striving is not excellence. Having a standard and meeting and exceeding that standard. Now, someone over here said, exceeding my expectations. So, when you say my expectations, then my expectations could be down here. No one would consider that as excellence. Are you with me? So, we have to talk about standards, or my expectations could be here, then I will never excel. Therefore, a sense of standards also is important somewhere. Are you able to see this? Now let's come to the next statement. Yes.
So then excellence is the absolute relative to like how can we define?
Excellence is contextual because excellence is always in reference to a standard and reference to a context.
But maybe, for example, I may be excellent at something here at Triple IT, for example. I maybe go to US and I maybe like at the one of the list like excelling student in the class.
Or someone could be excelling in the US and might be a mediocre person in India also. Both ways it would work.
Both ways it is possible.
Yes.
Then it is a relative term. Like
Yes. That is why I said excellence cannot be considered as universally true. And excellence in one domain is not necessarily excellence everywhere.
no, but if you talk about same domain, like comparatively.
Even in the same domain, as I said, a BTech student talking about some subject, one kind of depth may be expected, and that is excellent for them. An MTech student, when they talk at that level, it's average. And a PhD student, it's below average. Are you getting that? Same domain. It is contextualized, always. A fresher joining a company, when they do this much, they would be considered as excelling. But if they maintain that same level of contribution, pretty soon they will be rated as poor. Pretty soon. Are you getting that? So people expect you to contribute more. So excellence is not static. एक बार आपने excel कर लिया उसका मतलब ये नहीं होगा आप जिंदगी भर करते रहोगे. You have to strive towards excellence continuously. Are you with me? Is that okay? And then we are saying from a journey from survival to significance. Many people have taken the journey from significance to simply survival also. है ना? When we cleared JE, we were significant. Until then we were toppers in our schools. We were everything. So we considered that we have a significant achievement. But somehow, not attending classes, not being able to understand, not being able to excel in the coursework, many of us might simply be trying to survive the vagaries of Triple IT Delhi today. उल्टी जर्नी तो हम रन कर चुके हैं बहुत सारे लोग और एक ही तरह है बट लाइफ में बाकी जगह पे भी आप देखोगे कि ऐसा होता है जैसा मैंने अभी कहा कि अ पर्सन सपोज अ ट्रिपल आईटी दिल्ली स्टूडेंट जॉइन्स अ कंपनी ट्रिपल आईटी दिल्ली ने इतना रगड़ा हुआ है कि आप ऑलरेडी वहां पे उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में एक्सेल करोगे नाउ यू डू नॉट कंटिन्यू टू स्ट्राइव टू इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ यू स्टे देयर pretty soon as time passes the company's expectations from you would all anyways increase and then जहां पे आप पहले एक्सेल कर रहे थे सेम लेवल पे थोड़े टाइम बाद आप पुअर कैटेगरी में आ जाओगे बिकॉज द स्टैंडर्ड हैज रिजन सो जो ही आप पुअर कैटेगरी में आए तो आप सर्वाइवल मोड में चले गए तो लाइफ में हम हर समय किसी ना किसी डायमेंशन में सर्वाइवल मोड में हो सकते हैं और किसी और डायमेंशन में सिग्निफिकेंस मोड में हो सकते हैं इट इज नॉट एन एब्सोल्यूट अगेन वी आर वी यूनिडायमेंशनल आर यू identified and recognized only by your studies? Studies are just one part of your life. No? You have friends, you have hobbies, you have sports, you have experiments, we have this lab work over here. कितनी सारी dimensions में चीजें होती हैं ना हमारी life में. In some dimension, we might be simply surviving. In something else, we might be leading a life of significance also. That we are really considered benchmark. And that's okay. But what we are saying is, what we're talking about is, how do we lead ourselves from survival to significance? Are there places in your life, are there dimensions in your life where you think that you would make this kind of a journey for yourself? Would you want to make such a journey for yourself? Is there such a place in your life? You may want to share, you may want to, if you want to say that, okay, I'm just opening the floor to you, That if there is some aspect of your life where you think that today you are kind of surviving, but you would want to excel and you would want to shine and you would want to lead a life of significance in that dimension also, what would that be for you? Again, it will be different for every one of us. So, who can share? Chalo, before we move forward, before anyone shares here, I need one commitment from all of you. That one commitment is that whatever anyone shares here, even what I share here, when we are sharing our personal anecdotes or personal aspirations or personal stuff, can we keep it confidential? Can we keep it within this room? Can we make this commitment to each other? That whatever we share, I want a hand raise and commitment if you are willing to make that commitment. That we will not share about this, will not talk about it, will not gossip about it, will not form opinions about the person. Whatever they have shared, that is another friend, another colleague sharing their thoughts, ideas, which they might not have shared ever with anyone. And you taking it outside of this session will violate them. So we have to make a commitment that जो भी हम यहाँ पे शेयर करते हैं, सही है, गलत है, जो भी है, किसी ने कुछ भी शेयर करा, that remains in this room. That we will not form opinions about the other person based on what they shared. Can we make this commitment? Because only then this kind of a session makes sense. Because in this kind of a session, देखो, if in particular domain of life I'm just surviving, though my aspiration is to excel, you mean there is some pain somewhere I'm experiencing. Am I right? And there is also something that I'm doing wrong. I want to do it right, but it's not happening. I want to excel, but I'm simply surviving. So there is something that I'm doing wrong. Now, whatever wrong I might be doing, can it simply correct if I hide it under the carpet? नहीं ना. When can I correct my mistakes? अभी किसी ने कहा यहाँ पे कि leading means correcting mistakes and moving forward. When can I correct my mistakes? When I accept them, when I acknowledge that they exist. So, if I already know that they are mistakes, would I continue with them? No. But आप एक चीज गांठ बांध के रख लो, हर एक इंसान हर समय अपनी तरफ से अपना बेस्ट करता है. वो समय अगर वो अपना सपोज अभी तुम पढ़ने बैठे हो एंड यू आर नॉट पुटिंग योर बेस्ट इनटू इट, there would still be a reason behind it. You believe that this is good enough and this is the best that it needs. That's why I'm doing this much. There is something else that is taking your imagination, taking your attention, and you believe that is what is better. And I will do that and not this. इधर तो बस मैं सर्वाइव ही करना चाह रहा हूं. तो अगर हम किसी जगह पे एस्पायर कर रहे हैं, किसी डायमेंशन में एस्पायर कर रहे हैं टू लीड अ लाइफ ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस, बट वी आर स्टिल इन सर्वाइवल मोड ओनली, it means what we are trying to do, we believe it is best for that goal, but it is still not working for us. Are you able to see this? Now, until we share what we are doing, until we share whatever it is, and until we challenge our assumptions कि ये सही है, best है, can we improve? So when we are in this session, we have to be candid enough and we have to be open enough to be challenged. Is that okay? So I will challenge you. I will challenge your assumptions. Because until I do that, change can't happen. एंड बिना चेंज करे तो हम सर्वाइवल से सिग्निफिकेंस पे नहीं मूव कर सकते ना. आर यू विद मी ऑन दिस? So are we willing to be open and candid and therefore vulnerable in this room? See, we've already made a commitment that none of us will ever take anything that has been shared in this room, outside of this room, or outside of this context. That we will not make judgments about another person based on whatever they share over here. This commitment we've already made to each other. Now, my next ask from you is, are we willing to be vulnerable here then? I've already put a safety guard. Are we willing to be vulnerable? If you are not comfortable, please share that also so that we can add more safety. But unless we are willing to challenge ourselves, unless we are willing to update our assumptions, update our mindsets, our ways of thinking and ways of doing, striving may not be very successful for us. Because aspiration तो है ना. चलो पहले इसी चीज को चेक करते हैं. Are there those dimensions in your life where you would want to do far better than what you are doing now?
Yes. Yes.
Each one of us has something, है ना? So there is at least one dimension where we want to change. And अगर हम really चाह रहे हैं तो चेंज करने की कोशिश भी कर रहे होंगे बट रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा होगा, कुछ तो हो रहा होगा. आर यू विद मी? तो अगर हमारे पास एक ऐसा क्लियर गोल है कहीं ना कहीं पे, my question to you is, are you then willing? We've already put a safety net. Are you then willing to be vulnerable? You've seen acrobats. Have you been to a circus ever? Circus? You've not been to a circus? Been to a circus? No. Never been to a circus. You've seen movies like Mera Naam Joker or something like that, jahan pe, so okay, let me share what happens in a circus. One aspect, one thing that happens in almost every circus is there would be a safety net and there will be acrobats who would do acrobatics. They will fly in the air from one kind of a swing to another. They would hold hands, they would do so many things, and that's what excites people. Are you with me? Brilliant show of coordination, brilliant show of everything. But what does it take? A lot of courage. Because when you leave that rope over there and you have to reach out and hold your partner's, your colleagues' hands, it takes a lot of courage. But in that process, you're very vulnerable also. So there is a safety net. I have put a safety net. I'm asking you, are you willing to take the leap? Are you willing to take risks and open up and share? Because then we can create something very beautiful. Matlab, when you watch those acrobatics, is it not like, what's happening? Matlab, how can they do this? Is it not? So brilliance, that is brilliance. That is excellence in their domain. है ना? So are you willing to do that over here so that when people look at us from outside, anywhere, they also see that, wow, that's a leader. Okay, not leader in the sense that narebazi wala leader, not leader in the sense that leading a team, but this person is shining bright. Are you willing to do that? A raise of hands. क्या सर आप ऑप्शन ही नहीं दे रहे हो? कैसे मना करें? नहीं, मना कर सकते हो. मना करने का मतलब है यू डोंट जॉइन दीज सेशंस. And we will not cut your attendance for this. But if you really want to, bring about some change in your life where you have wanted that but not able to achieve that, then I believe this session could be a very interesting, insightful, transformational experience for you. Ready for this? तो फर्स्ट स्लाइड से आगे बढ़े. सर आप ऐसे करने वाले हो तो पता नहीं क्या करोगे आप हमारे साथ. हाँ, एक एक शब्द को आप ऐसे कुरेदोगे तो क्या करोगे. सी यू विल नोटिस दैट माय स्लाइड्स विल नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स, बट द वर्ड्स दैट आर देयर, each word might have a lot of significance, and it might be worth a discussion around that. Okay, so is that okay? आगे बढ़े. So what we will do is we'll start with foundational principles, foundations of effectiveness. यहाँ पे देखो दो नए शब्द आ गए. अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे हम जा भी नहीं पा रहे. What is a foundation? ये तो जल्दी से बता दोगे आप लोग. What is a foundation?
Base of something.
Base of something. How do you build a foundation?
Prerequisite to move one thing.
Huh?
Prerequisite required to move one thing forward.
All the prerequisite required to move a thing forward. वो तो foundation की definition दे दी आपने. How do you make a foundation? Have you seen construction of a building, something? How do they make foundations?
Reliable, trustworthy.
How do they?
Foundation.
तुम उसकी specification बता रही हो. How do they make the foundation?
Dig the ground.
They dig the ground. They remove what is hiding. Remove the top layers. Reach deep down. See what is hiding beneath. And then what do? Then they start putting in new material. There was sand. They dig out the sand. And what do they add?
Cement.
Hari cement. Concrete, so many stuff. Bricks, concrete, cement, sab kuch. Why? Because that is stronger than sand. I want to build a one-story housing complex, one-story building. How deep a foundation would I need? One story,
Not very deep.
not very deep. 1 meter, 2 meter. You want to go 10 meters tall, you'd go 2 meters down. Okay. I want to build a Burj Khalifa. How deep?
At least 25% of what it is standing above.
तो हमने 10 मीटर का 2 मीटर बोला तो इसने कहा चलो 20-25% बोल देते हैं. Good, smart girl, huh? So one thing is obvious, that if you want to grow tall, you have to have a stronger foundation. If we liken your careers, your life, to something that you are building, a tower that you are building, do you want to build a tall tower? Do you want to build a tower which everyone is able to see and aspire for? Or do you want to build a jhuggi and say, okay, this is my life? I think all of us over here want to have a brilliant, beautiful mansion or a tower, something. Am I right? So if you want a tall tower, we need to work on the foundations. Are you with me? So we have to definitely focus on, before we even enter into, how do I put it, building the first steps or taking the first steps, we have to build the foundation. So that's what we'll start with. But then I'm saying foundations of effectiveness. What is effectiveness? What is effectiveness? What is effective? वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ. To see some results.
Effective in using your resources carefully and not doing other work which won't impact, something else which will not show any results later and which won't matter. Effective is using your time.
So,
Maybe take an example of time.
so effective you're saying is about managing your resources better so that you're able to achieve what you wanted to achieve. Okay, Samir, what you were saying?
Which were like the thing we do and we start getting some results.
Again, some sense of results. Okay, what is effectiveness?
Utilization of resources in a manner that we achieve the targeted goal.
Achieving targets is effectiveness. Is that effectiveness? I achieve targets today, I do not achieve them tomorrow. Is my technique effective? No, is my technique effective? Are you living just for a day? Are you building just for the day?
Every small task that we do should lead to your goal, that is effectiveness.
Every small task that we do should lead to your goal. अभी तो गोल ही क्या है पता नहीं, but effectiveness. Because what you are, all of you are talking about success. Goal achieve कर लिया success. That is what you understand. But is success same as effectiveness? What is effectiveness? How is it different from success? Think, see, again, I'm coming back to the same thing. अगर आप अभी ग्राउंड नहीं हटाओगे, ऊपर की लेयर्स को हटा के अंदर से कुछ नहीं निकालोगे, तो फाउंडेशन कैसे बिल्ड करोगे? यू हैव टू स्पीक, यू टू शेयर, तभी तो वो जो assumptions हैं आपकी वो कुछ चैलेंज होंगी ना.
Achieving goals is success.
What is effectiveness?
Achieving the goal. Optimally utilizing the resources. Even if it's our time also. It's like what a 10 years also. That is effectively achieving the success.
way of studying ताकि एक जो भी गोल है उसी तरह हम कंस्ट्रक्टिवली पढ़ सकें जो भी है
और जो भी आप करो value add करें, making sure of that.
All these again are how to achieve success. You know, you're talking about how to achieve success, methods. I'm asking about the definition of effectiveness. Kushal.
Effectiveness is make of a certain task.
So, what do you mean by task should be effective?
A small step like we are going almost at a point of
No, no, you may not. It is an integral part. Because if you're not successful, definitely not effective. But effectiveness is beyond being successful. That is what I am saying. So, what is effectiveness?
It's about the journey.
It's about the journey to success.
Effective
Success हटा दिया.
and important success before them.
something is working
Making something work. तो success हो गया ना?
optimize this
Success सस्ते में.
optimization of resources in a better way
हाँ, success सस्ते में.
optimize
अब भाई ऑप्टिमाइज वे में करा तो सबसे सस्ता वही हो गया ना. ऑप्टिमा व्हाट इज ऑप्टिमाइजेशन? ऑप्टिमाइजेशन इज अराइविंग एट अ मिनिमा. हाँ, तो मुश्किल है. मुश्किल का किसने कहा कि मुश्किल नहीं है? इजी नहीं, सस्ता बोला. चीप, लोएस्ट कॉस्ट.
I think progressing to on your journey from 0 to 1 of achieving something.
तो वो भी सक्सेस हो गया. इफेक्टिवनेस क्या है? समथिंग बियॉन्ड सक्सेस. हाउ हो गया ना, मेथड होगा कितना डीप तक जाओ। उसने 25% बोला था, जितनी हाइट चाहिए उसका 25% डीपर जाओ।
Effectiveness will be when you are fulfilled with your success.
When you're satisfied with your success.
So
Okay.
I think we are thinking about success in a wrong way. I mean, success cannot always be achieved by one. But working on something and then achieving your goal is effectiveness. But it's not like you achieve a goal, that's a success. Success cannot be.
Beautiful. So what I'm hearing is सक्सेस तो आप शॉर्टकट से भी ले सकते हो, तुक्का मार के, बाय लक भी आ सकती है, शॉर्टकट से आ सकती है, उससे एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, छोटे से में कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आ सकती है, बट इफेक्टिवनेस इन्वॉल्व्स द हार्ड वर्क दैट गोज बिहाइंड द सीन्स। एंड थोड़ा सा इसको और आगे लेके जाते हैं, सही दिशा में जा रहे हो। इट एड्स टू वट एवर वी आर टॉकिंग दैट it is not just about the goal. Effectiveness is also about the process. And therefore, effectiveness is also about being able to achieve that success over and over again, increasing one's potential to achieve success rather than depleting it. Are you getting it? So I have some resources. I utilize those resources, but I use them in such a way that it only empowers me to achieve more success later. Are you with me? Nice one, man. So, success could be achieved by burning yourself out also. But अब जब कल फिर से कुछ करना है, अब there is no resource left. You already burnt yourself out. आपके पास एक लिमिटेड रिसोर्स था, आपने उसको पूरा एग्जॉस्ट कर दिया, सक्सेस मिल गया। आपने कोई शॉर्टकट ले लिया, सक्सेस मिल गया। चीटिंग कर लिया एक पेपर में, सक्सेस मिल गया। बट अब इंटरव्यू में क्या करोगे? आर यू गेटिंग दैट? तो सक्सेस के बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं सक्सेस पाने के। पूरा बर्नआउट हो सकता है, शॉर्टकट्स हो सकते हैं, इलीगल मेथड्स हो सकते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है, सक्सेस तो मिल जाएगा। बट इज दैट इफेक्टिव? नो, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट रिपीटेबल। दोबारा से कहा जाएगा, एक अलग कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कहा जाएगा, यू नॉट डन द हार्ड वर्क बिहाइंड इट, यू नॉट ट्रैवर्स द जर्नी विद अवेयरनेस, so that is not repeatable. You've exhausted your potential, the system's potential, the environment's, ecosystem's potential, whatever, that it cannot achieve it over and over and over again. So effectiveness includes success, because without success there is nothing effective. Success nahi hai to effective bhi nahi hai na. But effectiveness also includes the aspect of being able to repeat it when needed. Are you able to see this? So it's not the last day cramming of the coursework. Because then what happens? Then when you are asked something in an interview, in a presentation, then you will still struggle. But effectiveness is, as we've already also हमने इधर भी discuss करा 3 repetitions वाली बात. That to learn something we need 3 repetitions. We discussed that here. No. So, do you know how does अब थोड़ा सा देखो, now you are asking for a detour. How do we learn? You want to learn something, how do you learn?
Explore, see, then practice, and then we test ourselves.
Okay. We explore, we see, we practice, we test ourselves. What else? How do we learn?
Mistakes.
Learn from your mistakes. Okay. But how do we learn?
Doing things again.
Repetition. जब हमने कहा कि पहले देखना, एक्सप्लोर करना, फिर प्रैक्टिस करना, फिर ये करना, फिर वो करना, what are we doing? We are repeating. See, the way our brain is constructed, it's brilliant. Our brain has the same capacity, or the largest supercomputer still does not touch the capacity of our brain. You know this? How much power does that supercomputer consume when it operates? Megawatts. How much power does your brain consume? I'm assuming it's operational. How much power does your brain consume? 30 watts. Megawatts, 30 watts. Per watt has a per second thing automatically in it. So when you're using your brain, it takes 30 watts. You're using your brain, so it's consuming 30 watts. A supercomputer would consume megawatts. So how does it become so efficient? Because it ruthlessly rejects stuff. It says, oh, this is wasteful, this is wasteful, this is wasteful. It just does not do any wasteful effort. How does it know something is a waste or something is not a waste?
Things repetitively, things everything is important. So
Repetition tells your brain that something is important. If you do not repeat something, our brain would ruthlessly reject it. So, there is this method of learning where you repeat and review every course or every subject that has been taught to you thrice. And scientific studies have shown that when these 3 repetitions are at separate intervals, the effectiveness of learning, effectiveness of establishing those synaptic pathways in your brain is much stronger. Such that the interval that you left between the last 2 repetitions, you will be able to remember majority of the content for 10 times of that interval. Okay? So how it goes is something like okay. So let us say this is 0th day. I got exposed to some topic today. I built 1000 neurotic synapses, let us say. Okay. Now the brain loses all those synapses, very quickly. RC curve, RC decay, yaad hai? It loses them very, very quickly. So what do we need to do? Let us say ऐसे है, ठीक है. So we need to give it first exposure again, second exposure. First exposure था 0th day पे. We need to give it another exposure, and then what happens all of a sudden, because we revised, I have again reinforced those 1000 synapses. And now, because one repetition has happened, the decay rate reduces. It will still decay, but it reduces. The time constant over here reduces. Okay? Are you with me? But then what happens is, this is still not good enough because after some time you would have lost. So you need to give another repetition. So you again bring it back up. So this first repetition is within 24 hours. The second repetition has to be within 5 to 7 days. the decay rate improves further. But यहाँ पे interval क्या था? 5-6 दिन का. 10 times of that is 50-60 days. That's hardly a month and a half. Is that sufficient for you? Remembering something for just about a month and a half? Something is important, you remember it only for a month and a half. Is that okay with you? See, you enter your third year, senior courses start to happen. Interviews would happen about a year later. You need a 50 days, 50 weeks kind of a retention. So what should you do? Another repetition. Where? About 30 days. Now, so this again rises up. And now the decay rate is such that you will remember the stuff for about a year. If it is important, you will anyway repeat it again. In a sense, अगले semester के फिर किसी course में वो चीज बात छेड़ी जाएगी शायद, if it is important for you. Even if it is not important, if before the interview you just pick up the notebook again, sufficient number of synapses are still alive that you will be able to recover whatever you needed. Are you getting that? So if you learn like this, instead of cramming on the last day, this is far more effective. Are you with me? So हर चीज का एक effective तरीका होता है और एक ineffective तरीका होता है. Ineffective तरीका क्या होगा पढ़ने का? आज क्लास हुई, अब जब प्रेजेंटेशन है या जब एग्जाम है उससे जस्ट एक दिन पहले पढ़ा. What happens? पहली बात, चीजें याद नहीं आएंगी, बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा. दूसरी बात, स्ट्रेस होगा तो जो चीज आती थी वो भी एग्जाम के समय वॉश आउट हो जाएगी. अरे बंदे, ऐसा हुआ है हमारे साथ? अब सब हाँ कर रहे हैं. हाँ, हमने तो ऐसा करा है.
I read about this like in a book, 13 Steps to Get Good Marks by Ashwin Sandhi. It's written.
Yeah, it's the result of a set of research papers that were published. I mean, बहुत सारी studies होती रहती हैं. How do we learn better? How do we learn better? पूरा AI इसी पे तो based है. How do we assign weights to different connections? All the weights, the entire weight matrix is like this only. The more the number of times a particular result comes for a given set of inputs, you say these set of inputs have a higher weight in determining the output. Regression is all of that only. Math is trying to model what our brain does. Our brain does it so ubiquitously and so simply that we do not realize it. Are you with me? So, effectiveness then is about being able to achieve the results over and over again and not just once. Are you with me on this? Huh? So this session is about how do we become more effective. And let me share with you a quote by Samuel Smiles, which goes like this. When you sow a thought, you reap an action. आपने कुछ सोचा तभी आप कुछ कर रहे हो. And then, when you sow an action, you reap a habit. So you repeat some action. After some time, it becomes a habit. Are you with me? Sow a habit and you reap a character. People start to associate you with that. Oh, this person is very patient. Why do we call someone a patient person? Because even when agitated, even when disturbed, this person over and over again responds in a calm manner. You say this person is patient. Am I right? So what has happened? They have demonstrated a behavior, they have demonstrated a habit over and over again. Now this is a part of their character. And then, when you sow a character, you reap a destiny. Are you able to see this? Because without character, any success could be a matter of luck, or a matter of a shortcut, or a matter of circumstances. Things change and the success will wither away. But if you really want to have long-term effectiveness or long-term success, then you have to operate from a strong character. We'll come to character more a little later also. But to build a character, what we essentially need is building the right habits. So we'll talk about habits in this series. Okay. We'll talk about habits which can help you become more effective at whatever you do. Are you interested? So what is a habit? सेट्स याद हैं? हम जो स्कूल टाइम पे थे सेट्स पढ़े थे. मैंने सेट्स बनाए, 3 सेट्स बनाए. So what is a habit? When does something become a habit? Doing task repetitively.
When it becomes a part of your lifestyle.
Okay. How does it become a habit? Let me change the question.
It's something that you believe in and that you follow regularly.
It feels obvious.
It feels obvious. जो मैंने अभी पढ़ने का तरीका बताया, now it feels obvious. Is it a habit?
It's obvious that it's like
No. अब जब आपको knowledge मिल गई तो knowledge तो है. Does it become a habit? Just with the knowledge part of it? It feels obvious. Because you know now, what you know will appear obvious to you.
when it becomes a part of your routine.
When it becomes a part of your routine, how does it become a part of your
When
routine?
you like something.
Okay. So see, one thing that is definitely there is that to make a habit, you need knowledge. क्या करना है तो बताना पड़ेगा ना. In addition to that, you also need skills. कैसे करना है, नहीं तो करोगे कैसे? Are you with me? And very importantly, you need a desire. Only when these 3 things come together, you can form a habit. Because अगर desire नहीं है, तो you will not repeat. Repetition नहीं होगा तो habit नहीं बनेगी. It will not become a part of your life. I told you how to study, but अगर desire नहीं है, तो you will not. Knowledge आ गई, but desire missing थी, तो habit नहीं बनी. Skill क्या होगा उसी चीज में? अभी हमने 3 repetitions की बात करी, है ना? हाँ? वे ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटिंग. कैसे तुमने कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करा? तुम कह रहे थे तुम्हें पता है पहले से.
knowledge को utilize कर
हम्म.
उस चीज को कैसे
नॉलेज तो मैंने अभी सबको दे दी, अब स्किल क्या देंगे?
इसके मतलब हमें मैनेज करना पड़ेगा कि कैसे इसे हम
क्या मैनेज करना पड़ेगा?
फॉर एग्जांपल हम कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं तो हम ये चीज अगर कोई एग्जांपल के टॉपिक आज पढ़ तो फिर वो हम कर रहे हैं साल में बाद या फिर 1 महीने बाद?
To manage my schedule. Are you with me? I have to manage my schedule to be able to make that learning of repetition for better retention a habit for myself. Is it not?
So here in skills, are we talking about the activity that we want to make a habit or the management skills that we should have?
Everything.
In the desire, is it the desire to do what your habit is or achieve the goal that your habits need?
Willingness to do something. Let us put it like that.
Yes.
Are you willing to do it? See, I may want to achieve that goal, but there is another way to do it. So I'm not willing to do this. This appears to be a longer effort, more effort.
There are also researches on this, that how many days it takes for you to put in your willpower and then it becomes a habit. And
पढ़े
as
लिखे
you
बच्चे हैं इसका आर्ट में हाँ आंसर भी है 21 days. Yes, willingness, willpower, desire. अगर विल पावर नहीं है, अगर विलिंगनेस नहीं है, तो कैसे होगा काम? यू विल नॉट रिपीट इट. अभी तो सुनने में बड़ा अच्छा लगा, अरे 3 रेपिटेशन से चीजें याद रहेंगी साल भर, इंटरव्यू अच्छे निकलेंगे. सुन लिया, बट आपने उसको करा क्या? सो बहुत जगह पे आपको अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा दिखेगा कि आपको पता है क्या करना है.
Sir, let's say I have a goal. Say I want to get a good job in any company.
इज जॉब अ गोल? इज जॉब अ गोल? और इज जॉब सम इज अ गोल समथिंग?
And so I have to study something for that. Let's say I have some knowledge regarding some courses. I have developed some skills and I am ready to develop them more. Then I have the desire to study because I have to achieve it. But I don't feel like doing all this. I am not getting that hit. Then I don't think that it will become my habit.
Yeah, it will not become your habit. So what is missing is this desire actually. तुम कह रहे हो तो सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे डिजायर है. So फिर कुछ स्किल भी मिसिंग हो सकती है.
know that you have to study to achieve that goal, but you don't want to.
So then we need, so we'll talk about one of the habits or one of the endowments that human beings have, which is called imagination. We'll have to imagine alternate ways to still achieve what I want to achieve. We'll talk about this in this series itself. भाई हम एक ही रास्ता पकड़ के बैठे हैं, वो रास्ता में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसलिए हम आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे. Can we find another way? Yeah, that's what we will need to find.
In this case, there was a job चाहिए. The only way is to study. The only way is to study.
No. No, 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 no.
I think he's picturing the goal.
He can excel, for example, in a hands-on program like this, and even if the other aspects in terms of some coursework that he doesn't like, he doesn't do very well in that, if he excels here, he can still get a job, good job.
But if a job requires some certain set of skills, जो कि वो पढ़ते हैं, भले ही हमें कितने अच्छे
तो फिर उसको वो जॉब चाहिए भी नहीं होगी. सच्ची बता रहा हूं. नहीं नहीं नहीं. सो इसने कहा गुड जॉब. उसकी जो गुड जॉब है उसमें अगर वो चीज करनी पड़ेगी जिसको जो उसको पसंद नहीं है, then that job is not a good job for him. It might appear to be a good job because package बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, but he will get frustrated as soon as he joins there. Because आपको अगर, as I said, we started with this ना कि managing is about, मैंने कह दिया अब तुम्हें करना, मैं तुम्हारा मैनेजर हूं. ऑफिस में तो ऐसा होगा. Because you are getting paid, you will have to do whatever you've been asked to do. And if you do not like what you are asked to do, but you have to do it, इससे बड़ा torture क्या है? So that is not a good job that he wants. Even if he thinks that is a good job, that is not the reality actually. He should not get that job.
So not by the package. Also, I think in our daily lives, many people do what they should like.
Is that a good situation to be in? Or are they simply surviving? See, can you achieve significance? देखो अब हम हर चीज को उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में करते हैं. आपको हर तरह के लोग तो दिख ही जाएंगे अपने आसपास. Are they leading a life of significance? That is the question you need to answer. Because this session is about, or this series is about, how can we lead a life of significance? Or are they just surviving the vagaries of life? Survive you can. Survival तो बहुत आसान है. सर्वाइवल में तो चीटिंग भी काम करेगी. सर्वाइवल में तो सब कुछ काम कर सकता है ना. बहुत सारे तुक्के काम कर जाएंगे. That is survival. This series is about moving from survival to significance. Now tell me, do you want it or no? बहुत सारे लोग आपको देखेंगे जो ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं जो उनको पसंद नहीं है. But are they happy? जो TGIF, thank God it's Friday. This is the worst thing to talk about. पूरा हफ्ता आपका टॉर्चर हो रहा है, बस 2 दिन रिलैक्स मिल रहा है. So you're living only 2 days. Is that a good way to live? No, see, you've kind of given up to this thought. Do you think that people who are really living a life of significance, they are thanking that it's Friday, that they're getting it off from tomorrow? Do you think it is like that? Those, just reflect karo. Close your eyes and think about people who you really cherish, admire for what they have contributed to the world, for what they are doing for the world or for themselves or whatever. Do you think they are saying, thank God it's Friday, अब कल 2 दिन काम नहीं करना? No. Each one of those people are so committed to their goal or their destination that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, उनके लिए कोई दिन अलग है ही नहीं. It is that kind of people that you really cherish, is it not? बहुत सारे लोग नहीं कर रहे वो, तो do you cherish them? Do you want to be like them? No, not exactly. Oh, you might adjust and survive like them. Do you want that? I don't want that for anyone. That is why I said everyone in the campus should be a part of this series. Whether it is students, whether it is staff, whether it is faculty. Everyone should know this.
Sir, but ये बहुत rare नहीं, but general आपको जो काम पसंद है वो ही करना.
But can you create a future like that for yourself?
Towards something that you like. So you try to करना पड़ रहा है, but you want something, so you can always move towards that.
See, are you willing to strive towards such a future? Or are you ready to give up?
सोर्स इतने कम है, पर सर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. वहाँ पे क्या?
So you're giving up.
No, I'm not giving up.
Then this session is about whatever is there. कम है, ज्यादा है, कुछ भी है. Are we willing to strive? So if you're willing to strive, then this session is for you. If you're not willing to strive, then this is a waste. सब कुछ है. We will talk about this aspect also in one of the habits. Everything is there and everything can concern us. But we cannot do something about everything. But we can do a lot about some things. Okay, we'll talk about it in much more detail when we come to that habit. So my question to you is, you can do something about striving for yourself? Are you willing to strive? Everyone else is living a caterpillar life. Are you willing to become a butterfly? That is my question to you. You can live like a caterpillar and die like one. But are you willing to become a butterfly? Do you think becoming a butterfly from a caterpillar is an easy thing?
Surviving as a caterpillar.
खाता जाता है, खाता जाता है, खाता जाता है, खाता जाता है, कितना सारा मलबरी लीव्स या जस्ट भी लीव्स पे उसको रख दो, खत्म कर देता है ना? कैटरपिलर की तरह सर्वाइव तो कर ही रहा है वो. बट अ बटरफ्लाई, डू यू थिंक अ बटरफ्लाई ईट्स दैट मच? If you become a butterfly, do you need that many resources then? The assumption is because we are today a caterpillar, we think that आगे भी तो थ्राइव करने के लिए इतना ही सब कुछ चाहिए होगा. Are you able to see this? Butterfly survives and thrives on a completely different resource. It does not fight for the scarce resources. It has a different resource that it would use. Are you able to see this? Are you willing to strive is the question. Caterpillars तो हैं आसपास बहुत सारे. Are you willing to become a butterfly? Every caterpillar can become a butterfly. Do you know that? Do you realize that? So each one of us can become a butterfly. Are you willing to become one is the question. बनना है? Because a butterfly can fly. It can explore realms that others can only imagine. Do you see that? It's beautiful to be a butterfly. So, willing to take this journey? Habits build करनी पड़ेंगी उसके लिए. And habits are an intersection of knowledge, skills and desire. So अब जब हम habits की बात करेंगे आगे जाके, you have to consciously, with awareness, pick up the knowledge, pick up the skill, and will also work so that you build up the desire. Is that okay? तो अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूं अभी तक? I'm just building that desire in you. Is it not? क्या हो रहा है? वही तो हो रहा है. I'm just making you see something, a future, so that you can aspire towards that. Can I force you to aspire? Can I force you to aspire towards that? No. I can only inspire you. Are you with me? यश अब गहरे चिंतन में डूबा हुआ है. बोलो.
यही सब का सोच रहा था.
शेयर करो. दिस इज सेफ स्पेस. देयर इज अ सेफ्टी नेट. डोंट वरी, वी विल नॉट टेक इट आउट.
नहीं मतलब कि जैसे ट्रिपल आईटी में एडमिशन लेना भी तो था कि कुछ अचीव करना है गोल तरफ, बट फिर ये कि मैंने इसको कर लिया थोड़ा सा बस ईयर सर्वाइवल मोड में आ गया था कि बस पास में आते हैं ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, बट ये तो एम नहीं था.
So this is something that we started the discussion with, that we want to take a journey from survival to significance. See, survive all of us are doing anyways. Caterpillar, every one of us is. We are here. So we are caterpillars at least. We want to become a butterfly. Are you willing to take that step? ठीक है? So, okay, so is this the only way to become a cut butterfly? No. No. This is one way. This is a way that I have treaded. This is a way I find effective. This is a way I feel is very, very powerful, very systematic, very logical. There are other ways also which I have experienced which are equally logical, much, much more powerful. But I can't bring all that to you. What I am allowed to and what I am eligible to bring to you is what I'm bringing to you. So if you want to do more, there's a lot more. But abhi we will keep it. Okay? In this series, we will keep it here. You want to do more? Any point of time you ask me, I can tell you what more. But abhi we will keep this flow. Is that okay? So a habit is an intersection of knowledge, skills, and desire. So this central part is a habit. And we have to consciously bring all three things about any habit that we talk about. Okay? तो हम किन हैबिट्स की बात करेंगे? ये मैंने बनाई है? नहीं. Stephen Covey. You've heard about this book? इंडक्शन में मिली थी. ये नहीं मिली होगी इंडक्शन में तुम्हें. हाईली इफेक्टिव पीपल मिली थी या हाईली इफेक्टिव टीनेजर्स मिली थी?
Habits of highly
पीपल दी थी. They should have given teenagers. So there's also another version which says habits, 7 habits of highly effective teenagers. So this is by Stephen Covey. And that 7 habits of highly effective teenagers is a book inspired by this, but rewritten in a format that teenagers would like it. Teenagers would associate with it. Gen Z. Gen Z friendly hai wo. And it's a fun read. It's a much more engaging read than the 7 habits of highly effective people. But this is the mother book. This caters to everyone. That one just packages it in a different way, though entirely based on this. Okay. And that one is by Sean Covey. That is son of Stephen Covey. Okay. Because Stephen Covey, okay, so this book is the best-selling self-help book over the years. This was first published in 1987. So we're talking about a very long time that this book has been on the top of the charts for the best self-help book. Okay. Now today many other books have also come, but you know which is actually the most selling book in the world ever? बाइबल. जितनी कॉपीज बाइबल की बिकी हैं उतनी किसी और बुक की नहीं बिकी. सेकंड, सेकंड और थर्ड पे भगवत गीता है, बट देयर इज अनदर बुक विच इज राइट अप देयर. शायद आप सबने पढ़ी होगी, मैंने तो पढ़ी है. नथिंग टू डू विद बाइबल और गीता. हैरी पॉटर सीरीज, जेके राउलिंग. Have you read that? How many of you have read Harry Potter की कोई books? Oh, many of you haven't. Oh, you're missing something so great. But sir, Bible भी नहीं पढ़ी, गीता भी नहीं पढ़ी. क्या फर्क पड़ता है हैरी पॉटर नहीं पढ़ी तो? It's okay. 7 habits अगर हम उस तरह से देखें तो comes somewhere in the top 10. But in self-help category, it is the best. It is the biggest, most sold book. Okay. And what we are looking at over here, is a leadership launchpad. जहां पे हम सर्वाइवल से स्टेबिलिटी की तरफ, सक्सेस की तरफ, एंड देन बियॉन्ड सक्सेस, सिग्निफिकेंस की तरफ जाने को एस्पायर कर रहे हैं. आर यू एबल टू सी दिस? दैट जब तुम जॉब की बात कर रहे हो ना, व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज सर्वाइवल से स्टेबिलिटी की तरफ. अब हर महीने पैसा आता रहेगा. बट विल यू बी जॉयफुल देन? मे बी नॉट. सक्सेस भी, अगर सक्सेस ही जॉय दे रही होती तो जो इतने हाई प्रोफाइल सीईओज भी सुसाइड कमिट करते हैं या फैमिली में स्ट्रगल कर रहे होते हैं कि डाइवोर्स हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, तो फिर वो भी ना हो रहा होता अगर वही खुशी दे रही होती तो, है ना? तो सक्सेस अगेन is incomplete. It will not really lead to that kind of joy. Only when we move beyond success, we talk of significance. So we'll cover the entire spectrum of things here. We'll not directly, or we will not just talk about that hypothetical state जो समीर कहता है ये तो सर एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता ना, इतना सारा रिसोर्स कहाँ अवेलेबल है. वो कह रहा है कि सब लोग तो जी रहे हैं ना वैसी जिंदगी, तो हम भी जी लेंगे. नहीं, सब लोग जी रहे हैं का मतलब ये थोड़ा ना कि उसमें वो जॉयफुल हैं या वो खुश हैं या वही तुम्हारी डेस्टिनी है. तुम्हारी डेस्टिनी वो क्यों हो? you can aspire and you can build a life of significance for yourself. That's what we are looking at over here. So this was about 7 habits of highly effective people. Should we hear from Stephen what he means by 7 habits? Is that okay? So let's just watch one video there then. Wait. I need to change the settings. The sound should go there. क्यों नहीं आ रहा? Any thoughts on what Stephen said? सही कह रहे गलत कह रहे? बुक पढ़ना पड़ेगा. I want us to watch one more video, quick one. Hanji, any thoughts? No thoughts? You are in a thoughtless state now? Are these habits relevant? These were written in 1987. तब तो आपके पेरेंट्स ही बच्चे थे.
So these habits are very basic habits.
Oh, you know nothing about them yet.
And starting से जो बताते आ रहे हैं हमें, which we do not know the importance of and what important at the end. And knowing these habits and I have implemented these habits in my life. But I don't think it's enough or I think there is more to it. I have to say.
Okay. Others? See, ये सेशन आपने बनाना है. मेरी तो स्लाइड में कुछ लिखा ही नहीं. मैंने कितनी स्लाइड्स कवर करी हैं आज? 5. बाकी सब तो आपको बोलना है.
I think by these habits, the author defined the effectiveness by this perspective, is that these things may be personal, but for some other individual, other factors may be different, and we need to define other habits be effective themselves. Then these 7 habits are the steps for each individual.
So I hear a sense of doubt that उन्होंने बनाया तो है लेकिन अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से बनाया होगा, पता नहीं मेरे लिए वैलिड होगा कि नहीं होगा. ओके.
These habits, I think these habits are universal because these habits do not take you to a certain goal or something. They just bring clarity in what you are doing, and it can be applied anywhere, anything small or big. Like we saw building good relations with your mom, or losing weight, or working in a company, or leading your life as a businesswoman, or whatever I see. So this brings clarity into what you want actually, and that you can work in a systematic way to achieve it.
So while there is doubt on one side, you feel that जिस तरह के examples उन्होंने दिखाए, you could apply them anywhere in life. Okay.
I mean, you could apply them anywhere, but the goals of each individual may not.
Yeah, that is why. So we'll come to that. So, okay. So thank you for bringing this up. He does not say 7 habits of highly successful people. What does he say? He says 7 habits of highly effective people. सक्सेसफुल अलग अलग जगह पे होने के लिए आपको कुछ अलग चीजें चाहिए हो सकते हैं. He does not discount that. But he says that successful people who have become effective also, each one of them has these 7 habits. He could have used the word successful. He did not. Why?
Effectiveness comes with repeatability, and that is what happens.
And also, the definition of success would change for every person, for every circumstance, for every time. Remember what he said just now? That people ask me, are they relevant today as they were when you wrote them first? He said, yes. Because these are not about success, these are not about context, this is not about how the context has changed today and therefore they become different. These are based on universal principles. We'll talk about principles in the next session. But these are based on universal principles. And therefore, the greater the change, the more relevant they become. Did he say about success? No. He says सक्सेस को रिपीटेबल जो लेकर आते गए, उन्होंने एक सेट ऑफ स्किल्स आपको सीखनी पड़ेगी to become successful. He will differentiate with those skills also. We will look at that aspect also in the next session. But what he's also saying is that this is the set of habits that effective people consistently have. So they have been successful in their field of work. But those who have repeatedly demonstrated success, those who are living a life of significance, these 7 things they do consistently.
My purpose is different for this point of time, and if I'm doing that thing, I need to be effective. I'm not saying that I need to be successful in that task. I want to be effective in that task. But any of the 7 habits do not encourage me to do well in that particular task I'm talking about.
Because you're talking about a particular skill that you may need, which is very specific to the activity that you are doing. That is right. वही तो मैं कह रहा हूं. आपको क्या खाली ये 7 हैबिट आप इम्बाइब कर लो, आप सब कुछ कर लोगे? No. You will need skills. You will need other stuff also. But these 7, when you're building your life on the basis of these 7, then whatever else you want to bring in, you can easily bring in and become successful. But these 7 you will need to ensure that you're not just successful, you're also effective. Are you able to see this? Because these 7 are the foundation. You develop these, and then you gain competence in whatever domain you want to excel in. Can anyone write a book to give success to everyone in the world? सबका अपना अलग एस्पिरेशन है, अलग स्किल सेट चाहिए. So we're not even talking about that. You're talking about the basis on which you develop those skills, the foundation, so that the building that you now build is strong, can weather the storms, does not fall when a big earthquake also comes. Because AI, for example, could be considered as an earthquake in the software industry. Are you with me? So it is, you are so resilient that come whatever may, you are doing well. That is what these 7 habits are talking about. किसी को वेट लूज करना है, उसको खाने पे भी स्किल करना पड़ेगा, उसको बहुत सारी चीजों की और की स्किल चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे वो खाना थोड़ा ना सिखा रहा है. किसी को अपने बच्चे के साथ रिलेशनशिप्स इंप्रूव करनी है, तो उसको एक अलग सेट ऑफ स्किल चाहिए. तो वो तो मतलब बच्चे से कैसे एग्जैक्टली बात करना है वो नहीं, बट किस ईथोस से, किस माइंडसेट से बात करना है, दैट वी विल सी. माइंडसेट्स वी विल लुक एट, बिकॉज व्हेन यू अप्रोच थिंग इन द राइट वे, they become effective. Are you able to see this? Any questions? Anything that you would want to get more insight on? Anything that you would want to share? Okay. So we'll close the session now. We'll continue from here. Sir, क्या कराया आज आपने? कुछ नहीं कराया. हम एक्चुअली कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे. बट इन्हीं डिस्कशंस में, यहीं जब आप ओपन अप, इसलिए कह रहा हूं, अगर आप ओपन अप नहीं होगे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला आपको. क्योंकि मैंने क्या कवर करा? कुछ भी नहीं कवर करा अभी, है ना? तो अगर आप ओपन अप नहीं होगे, अगर आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, तो दिस सेशन हैज नथिंग फॉर यू. Only when you open up and only when you participate, you can derive something out of it. Are you with me? So I look forward to far more active participation when we meet next. And enjoy yourself until then. Always, actually. Why until then? खुश खुश रहो हमेशा. ठीक है? चलिए, all the best.